The Coley Films.
What? Wait.
I am from.
I love you.
It's your
guy.
You don't want me. Why'd you steal my heart? Cross the black country. No matter where you are, when the sun comes up, I'll be thinking of you. When the sun goes down, I'll be drinking for two. Love me a little, you lying there. You love me a little more than I love you all over again.
What's up, guys? Today, night 2 cruising. I'm feeling good. What happens when you drink underage? Stop, Bella. Wait, don't. That's Addy. Addy, come here. Welcome to Addy and Paddy Film. Me and Addy have been boys for a while, haven't we? Since Flush Days.
I think they're doing the dress up party over there.
Yeah, we're filming on the 2.7K high definition for price.
No, I don't deserve you, but I love you more than you could know. In another life, I've seen your eyes before.
We have BD.
If I die, is it better
Save
than
underage. Yeah, save underage.
cry for me ever, baby, do your thing. The way you love me a little, lying there. You love me a little more than I love you all over again.
Period.
Happy New Year, guys.
We condone underage drinking. Yeah, those are drinking underage. They're drinking underage, but I do not drink underage.
They are staying a kilometre away from our campsite, and
No, we're not. And Sienna just happened to walk past. She did not purposely look or snap that.
Well,
There's no service.
you're wearing glasses.